So let us begin with the procedure. First of all, the ingredients. I require one big large brinjal. Wash it thoroughly and cut it lengthwise into slices, thin slices like this. And then give it slits with a knife so that the masala seeps in when we grill. Now I require rock salt and plain salt, which I will be applying to this like you apply to the Karelas, and keep it for 20 minutes. First of all, I have removed the base as well as the top of the brinjal and cut it like this lengthwise into thin slices and given it slits. Now I will be applying salt to it and keeping it for 20 minutes. Pour some olive oil and nicely rub it on all the pieces, and then add some salt to all the pieces. Rub each one nicely so that it gets coated well. I am sprinkling salt, just enough, it should not be too salty, and then rub it nicely on both the sides. Turn it over so that it is coated well with salt, but it should not be too much. Now keep it for 10 to 20 minutes. Now for the masala, I am taking 2 tomatoes, 2 green chilies, 1 small onion and 4 to 5 flakes of garlic. I am going to grind them in the jar and make a fine paste out of it. Masala which I am going to grind, let us add little haldi, dhania powder, salt, very little because we have already applied salt to the brinjals, some jeera, little bit of meat masala and red chili powder. Half a teaspoon of meat masala and red chili powder. Now let us grind this to paste and apply it on the brinjal pieces. Let us coat the masala on the brinjal pieces, top as well as bottom nicely. Now I will grease a baking tray and place it one in the tray. Pour some oil on the baking tray and grease it nicely. Pour some extra oil so that it is well greased. Now let us place the pieces, brinjal pieces, one like you do for fish or karela. Nicely coat it from both the sides. We have slit the brinjal pieces so that the masala seeps in properly and gets grilled nicely. These are ajwain leaves from my kitchen garden. I'm going to sprinkle them on top to give a nice aroma and taste. Now I'll put them to grill 180 degrees 20 minutes. Put on the oven to preheat it for 5 minutes. In the meantime, I'll sprinkle some more oil on top so that it gives a nice crispy effect and it gets grilled and baked properly. You can use any cooking oil or you can even use olive oil. I have used olive oil. That's it. I am keeping it in a preheated oven in the third row. First the lower side, then the upper side. 10 minutes the lower side, then I will turn the side of the knob. I will turn the side of the knob to the top rods. Another 10 minutes. I am keeping it at 180 degrees right now. In case required, you can make it 200 also, but I think 180 will be fine. It is nicely grilled, the brinjals, so let us remove it in a bowl. See, they are nicely grilled. The masala is also giving very good aroma, so let us remove it in a bowl. Now I will grate some cheese over it. I have grated some cheese Now let us decorate it. Dressing of some tomatoes, onion and green chilies, and then serve it. Very yummy. It's different from the bharta that we usually make or the बैंगन bhaja. Very tasty, grilled and extremely delicious. Sprinkle some spring onion leaves. Now I will chop round tomato slices. Now some onion slices also. Oregano and little bit of black pepper and little bit of rock salt. And my very tasty grilled brinjals with masala are ready. I don't know what name to give it, but it's very yummy. Do try it. You can even take a slice of bread, roast it, toast it, and put one piece of this brinjal on it and eat it as a meal, a full meal. It tastes very yummy. Chilies to make it more presentable. You can even add little cream if you want. So this is a very yummy side dish. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share, comment. Let me know how it is. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Amita Bagai from Amita Bagai's Amazing Kitchen. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Do subscribe to my channel. Do make this dish. Very simple, easy to make, yet extremely tasty. Thanks a lot. Have a good, safe day. Keep healthy, keep safe, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.